Hey there, Alex here. So I had the chance to have a quick hands-on with the Honor 20 Lite that will be available here in Singapore soon, with pre-orders starting 15th of May. It's yet another budget offering from Honor at a retail price of 338 Singapore dollars. It brings with it a triple camera setup which includes a wide-angle camera, a 32 megapixel front camera, attractive design and colors, and decent specifications. Initial impressions of the device seems decent. The plastic rear will probably pick up scratches really easily, but I like the color options. It's still using a micro USB port, which is just a tiny bit disappointing, but it's a budget phone, so not a big deal. The display looks pretty good for a cheap phone as well. There have been a few cheaper Honor devices that lacks NFC, but I'm happy to see that the 20 Lite seems to have it, so at least consumers can use Google Pay for public transport here in Singapore. Of course, this is just the first of the Honor 20 series of devices that's coming soon. What I'm really excited about are the rumored Honor 20 and 20 Pro. I thought the Honor 10 was a pretty nice phone at a reasonable price when it first came out last year, so I can't wait to see what they have in store for us come 21st of May. Thanks for watching this video, and see you guys on the next one.